As I mentioned in the first video, Excel reporting includes a full toolbar that allows you to apply cell styling, alignment, and number formatting. So now we're going to use those tools to make the model cleaner and easier to read. The first thing I usually do is give the column headers a color. Here, I'll make them blue with a dark blue border underneath. This total column should stand out a bit more, so I'll give that one a different color. And because the period columns have a different role, I'll format those in gray. In Excel reporting, our standard convention is that amount columns are right aligned. So I'll use the horizontal alignment to align these columns to the right. You can also center, left align, indent, or wrap text here. But for values, right alignment works best. Next, I want to change the cell type. By default, a cell is usually set to common. Here, I want to use integer instead. You could choose decimals if needed, but in most budget models, whole numbers are enough. So I use integer, which also improves the visual alignment. I also want to make some of these columns wider. You can resize a column by clicking the column header, right-clicking, and choosing Resize Column. I'll start with a width of 150. You can select multiple columns as well, just like a spreadsheet, by using Shift and selecting the last one. Some columns feel a bit too wide, so I'll reduce those to 125. The amount columns can stay wider, so I'll keep those at 150. I also want to widen the text columns a bit more, because later on we'll show account group names and account names there. The exact width depends on your own data, so let's do a preview and test the layout. Now we can see that the structure already looks much better. Most columns look clean and readable. There are still a few formatting details to adjust, but overall the layout is starting to work well. As explained in a previous video, the query consists of 3 rows: a title row, a data row, and a total row. If you want to style the total row, you can simply select it and apply a different color and border. I'll also set those fields to integer. Now let's preview that again. That already looks much better. At this point, the model is functional and visually much more structured.